Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I wanted to update you with some breaking news here on a steel ladder deal from Werner Ladders, that is. And we'll put links to it down below here for you in the video description to take you right to it. So if you want to order it online and then go pick it up in the store, that works fine for you. So anyway, this afternoon we had launched our video early this afternoon on the Home Depot deals of the day. And we showed you several different items that were listed for sale, like a planer from DeWalt and a DeWalt 2-tool kit that had a couple of tools. And anyway, after the video had launched, I headed over to 3 different Home Depots in search of a particular Ego lawnmower that I was unable to find. But all of a sudden, people started contacting me left and right saying, hey, did you hear about that Werner ladder? Hey. And so we went and checked it out there while I was in the store. And here you can see me posing by it. But here's the ladder. It is a 22-foot Werner ladder with a 375-pound load limit. And here's that 22-foot ladder from Werner. Holds 375 pounds. So this is the one that, if you look at it, man, what an incredible deal this one is. So it's marked all the way down to $99 from $229. So there's your SKU number there. This is one heck of a deal here. You could buy 2 of these for $200 and still be under the price of one of these by itself. Now, ironically, as you look here, this is a 25-footer right next to it. 25-foot right there, 22-foot right there. The 25-footer, as you can see, is still $289. So if you're willing to put up with 3 foot less of a ladder, you can really make the score of the century right here. We don't know how long this is going to last. Okay, so here it is on the Home Depot website. So we will put a link to this Werner 22-foot ladder down below in the video description for you. But if you look here, you can see that indeed it really was one of those deals where the original price was what it says here, which is $229. We just showed you that on the video directly from the store. So this ladder here, you're saving $129 off the price. That's 56% off. I have no idea why they did this, and there's like no real, they didn't advertise it or anything. There's no logo here next to the price saying that it's a special buy or a special deal or new lower price. So we have absolutely no idea how long this is going to last. But all I can tell you is you better get out there and get it today, like now, if you're going to get it, because I was in 3 Home Depots this afternoon, like I said, looking for that Ego mower, and only one of those Home Depots had, 2 of the Home Depots had the ladder. One of those Home Depots was completely sold out. So as the word spreads now, and here we are into the early evening, I'm hearing from more and more people who have already bought it based on me mentioning it on my community tabs page. So, since the news was so hot off the press, and I was out there at the Home Depot early in the afternoon, I didn't even really have time to make video. I didn't want to go live at that time, and so I probably should have. But I put a post up on my community page telling people, and so a number of people have already reported back to me that they were able to buy the ladder after seeing our post. So now I'm hoping that more of you will see this video here and will be able to get in there and get it this evening. Now, this Werner 22-foot ladder has some interesting uses, and they also made it with these new POWERLITE rails for a lighter weight. Here's some of the hacks that you can do with the ladder. They've got the diagrams here. I think it would be kind of a waste to use a 22-foot ladder as a scaffolding, but hey, if you just need something to get up somewhere on a scaffold real quick, that would be the way to do it. Now, if this ladder looks familiar to you, it's because I have a very similar ladder like this that we use in our backyard when we do our drop tests, like you saw us do in the video last night that we released on the Ryobi 3-inch cutoff tool, the new HP compact series there. And here you can see us doing the drop test of it. And then we did some more other testing through materials. So if you missed that video, we launched it last night. You should definitely check that one out. Very, very thorough. Also, while I have you here, I wanted to point out to you some of the videos we've uploaded. That, like, here's one we did last night. We did our tool review video on the new Ryobi 1 Plus. That's their compact 3-inch cutoff tool. You got to see that one. We did some very, very thorough testing of this one through several different materials. And then this is that awesome skylight, that LED skylight panel that we bought from Costco the other day, and we installed it in a friend's house for his tenants. And then, of course, we did then over here last week, you can see we did the tool review for the Ryobi misting fan. That was an interesting product there. Hey, so you definitely want to come back and check out, binge watch some of our videos that we've uploaded recently. Well, that's all the time we have for right now, folks. I got to get back to doing more videos for you. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you found this informational, please give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you go ahead and do that now. And then click the gray bell icon next to the subscribe button so that YouTube will alert you every time we upload a video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.